In this video, I want to share with you an evergreen niche that is low in competition and getting sales on merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that low competition niche that is selling, I just want to do a quick sales update. So let's see, today is Monday, 34 sales, $29 in royalties. Now, a lot of people have been telling me to increase my prices, and I haven't been because I've just been waiting for some of my new sellers to get some reviews, and I actually did get a couple reviews the other day, 5-star reviews, so I have increased my prices on some of my shirts, so we'll see if that helps the royalties out. But yesterday, you can see I had a pretty good day, 44 sales, $62 in royalties. And that is going to put me at 760 sales for the month and over $1,000 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So the niche that I have for you, the evergreen niche, it's actually, the niche is sneakerhead. And the reason that I thought about this niche or came up with this niche is because I saw the recent news about Trump selling these shoes. And when I was watching the news, they were saying, I kept hearing the word like sneakerhead basically. And like I mentioned in my video the other day, I always have like an ear out and an eye out for like niches that could be low in competition that are selling. So I kept hearing sneakerhead, kind of caught my attention, and I popped it into Merch Informer. And when I hit search, I actually saw that there's actually only 98 results for the phrase sneakerhead, or 98 merch shirts on Amazon. And if we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 98 results. If it would just load, so right here you can see, so it's low in competition. And when we take a look, or just a little deeper dive into this niche, we could see what some of the designs look like, and we could take a look at some of the BSR. So here's the first row right here. Don't slip on my drip. If you don't know what drip is, that's kind of like just like style or the type of clothes you're wearing. You can do a Google search on it. But this one's sitting at 52,000 in the climate pledge friendly category. This one is kicks over chicks. So kicks is just another way to say shoes. Chicks is, obviously women or girls. This one's sitting at 1 million. Right here, sneakerhead, we're going to see it has 2 reviews, sitting at 3 million. And right here, there's no such thing as too many sneakers. So first row is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at some other phrases that you might be able to use. So this one is cross-niching dad with sneakerhead. So dope dad sneakerhead. This was actually just uploaded, I believe, last month. So January 8th, 2024. Already getting sales. One more pair, I promise. Sneakerhead USA, just one more pair. Okay, so here's a duplicate. So one thing that I like to do when I'm thinking or I'm searching for like new phrases is look for duplicates. Now this one hasn't sold yet. Let's see when it was just, it was actually just recently uploaded, but I'm seeing duplicate right here. So that's just something I just want to take note of, and maybe I will make a design like this. It's not hoarding if it's sneakers. Okay, that's another one that could work well. We can see it has a BSR. Oh, I got some sales. Okay, and let's keep going. Sneakerhead. So you can see that this niche is low in competition, and it is getting sales. What else? Just one more pair, I promise. I think that was similar to the ones that we saw up here, right? Yes, just one more pair. So that looks like that could be the best one. The definition, not too sure why this eggplant is popping up there. But let's see. Are there any other good ones? OG sneaker. Okay, that could be a good one. So like I said, low in competition, selling. When we take a look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see what we can't see anymore because they changed it. Now they just say 1,000 plus results for pretty much every niche unless it's under 1,000. But we can get some ideas like kicks over chicks. That's another one that we saw earlier on Amazon. Let's go to Redbubble. Redbubble, we can see the competition here, only 1,200 results, so pretty low. This is probably going to do really good for stickers. When we take a look at TeePublic, I know this was a pretty popular style where you have like the colorful sneaker like this with all the different colors. Now, if we do a trademark search on sneakerhead, we will see that sneakerhead, just with one word, no space right here, it's actually trademarked in the clothing category, but this is not the word that I am recommending. I'm recommending sneakerhead, which is 2 words right here at the top. You will see sneakerhead. So before you go into the comments and saying, hey, this is trademarked, you will see that it's not sneaker space head, it's not trademarked. And these designs, like another way you can check to see if something is getting rejected for merch by Amazon is you can just come in here and you can see like sneakerhead, you see they have this. It's been up for over a year and has not been taken down. I think there's some other ones as well. So like sneakerhead right here, just recently upload, also getting through. So this niche is safe because it's not sneakerhead one word, it is 2 words, and nothing comes up for 2 words like this. So should be good. Now when it comes to designing, I went ahead and I went to Ideogram and I just popped in this prompt right here, make a t-shirt design with the color for a cartoon sneaker and the text sneakerhead, and these were the ones that popped up. I thought this one was actually pretty good right here. The only thing is that they put like a weird K right there. So you probably have to work with this one a little bit, but you can always get some good clip art if you don't want to like sign up for Creative Fabrica. Now if you do have a Creative Fabrica account and you want to sign up for them, I have an affiliate link, it's in the description. But I saw this one right here. I just typed in sneakers and then I filtered out to the print, or I filtered out print on demand special license, and I found this one right here. Now obviously you want to make sure you're not doing anything that says like Nike, you know, so like let me show you what you do not want to do. Like, so don't do anything like this, but like this one right here I think is safe. I'm not seeing anything that has to do with like Adidas, Reebok, you know, Puma, Nike. I think this is just like a regular sneaker clip. And I went ahead and I made some designs. So let me just show you some of the designs that I came up with, just kind of like on the fly. So this is the first one, sneakerhead. I think that's actually pretty good. Comment below what you guys think. One thing that I like to do when I design is to make it nice and big and fill up all of the canvas space, 4,500 pixels by 5,400 pixels. I also made a definition one. So right here, sneakerhead. The way you can get like the definition is you can go to this website, or just basically just Google any website that's like dictionary, so dictionary.com, and all you have to do is just type in the words like sneaker and it will give you a definition, and you can just copy and paste it. So right here I did head and it gives you the definition, and then I just copy and paste it and I pop it into my design on Photoshop. And then here I don't want to do an exact copy because that's never really a good idea. Like I saw there was a definition down here. Where is it? But I just kind of want to get some ideas, so I did something similar. So this one says, sneaker enthusiast that wears, collects, and trades only the freshest of kicks. And you know, I don't want to do a straight copy of that. I want to use my own creativity. I said, a lover of sneakers who dreams, I should have put all day, who dreams all day about having as many of the freshest kicks as possible. So it's similar, but not an exact copy. The reason I have it in white is I just didn't want to, I was a little lazy. I didn't want to take the time to make it all white. But if we go to the next one, kicks over chicks. So this is kind of a knockoff of the one that I found. I think it was on Etsy. Where was it? Right here. So I made one kind of similar like this. Comment below what you think of the design. And here are a couple others that could also work as well. Sneakerhead, the man, the myth, the legend. So this style, the man, the myth, the legend, has sold very well over the years on Merch by Amazon. And here you can see I kind of changed the colors of the fonts. And then I think this is the last one right here. Best sneaker dad ever. So I got inspiration for this design from this one right here that I showed you at the beginning, where they were cross-nation sneakerhead with dad. And I thought, okay, maybe I could do something similar, but instead of doing a straight up copy, do best sneaker dad ever. All right, so comment below what you think about my designs. But that is the evergreen niche that I have for you guys today. That is low in competition and it is selling. The reason I got inspiration for this design was from this news that came out about Trump selling these sneakers. But that is going to be the video for today. I got a lot of content coming out this week, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you click the bell so that you get notified. And if you want to learn how I get sales like this on a daily basis, check out the first link in the description. I have a course that will teach you how to get sales on Merch by Amazon. It's on Udemy. It's only 20 bucks. It's really good for like beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. If you're interested, check out the link. If not, it's all good. If you want to, if you have any questions and you want to message me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm usually responding to my messages within 24 hours. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.